Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Hulda. I started this channel mainly because I had like a split second of like, oh, this would be cool. And then immediately felt this huge sense, this huge wave of anxiety of just being like, I'm not cool. I don't know how to edit videos. I don't know how to be on camera. I don't know any of this. And I realized that that was just my anxiety talking. And if I want to get rid of my anxiety, or if I want to lessen my anxiety, I need to stop listening to it, or not like stop listening to it, but just like realizing that my anxiety is not always correct. People are not gonna hate me if I make bad YouTube videos. They're just gonna click off. That's fine. I'll just make my silly videos alone. So I started this channel with the intent of filming knitting, and just mostly like slowly knitting, because I had a lot of anxiety about knitting fast, or not knitting fast enough, not being good enough, not being productive enough, and just not being enough in general. So I thought, I'm gonna teach myself to knit the English style way, so that hopefully I can purposely slow myself down and be more in the present while I'm knitting and not being anxious. And it worked. It worked. I've slowly got a bit more joy out of knitting again. So that was good. So I'm gonna keep continuing to do that. But I'm slowly realizing that I'm gonna be a work in progress for a very long time. I quite recently started treatment at eating disorder facility, and that's made my anxiety a lot worse. And so I'm almost finished with the treatment, but I'm not feeling like I thought I would be feeling at the end of the treatment. I had this sort of unrealistic goal or vision of myself being completely healthy or happy in the future, and I've realized that's not going to happen like towards the ends of some things. I'm happy when I'm doing something that I like, when I'm actively participating in my life, while I'm working on getting better, then I will be happy. So I think I'm gonna try to do like a series, like a vlog series, basically just about how I work on myself, do things that help me become a better person, whether that's exercising for my mental health or cooking for my physical health, drinking enough water, tending to my hobbies, and being social. These are all things that I'm going to be actively working on. And so I thought, why not film some of it? I'm not going to put too much of a schedule on myself. I'm not going to put too much pressure on myself to do something. I'm just going to try to film. I'll see what I have at the end of the week. Probably do like a little sit down about the week and how I felt. I think this is just going to be sort of like an online diary, which sounds kind of scary because there's a lot of people online, but that's fine. I'm not going to share anything that I don't mind a lot of people knowing. And at the end of the day, it doesn't matter if someone doesn't think I'm cool or if someone doesn't think I'm good at doing videos. It matters that I'm having fun doing videos. It matters that I'm doing something that makes me happy, even though it also makes me quite anxious. And hopefully, in the progress of doing this, my anxiety will lessen. That's sort of the long-term goal. The short-term goal is just to not let depression and anxiety win. I am a strong person. I can do hard things. I can do difficult things. And I deserve to feel good, so I deserve to do things that make me feel good. Even though my anxiety or depression are telling me that I won't feel good or I won't feel happy, I'm gonna look on the positive side. So if that sounds exciting, then join me. I'll be filming. We'll just see how it goes. Bye. I don't know how to end videos. Bye.